In today's video, I'm going to show you how I style the hair. I'm going to show you how to get perfect straight hair and my tricks to get a super shiny like mirror hair. Let's start.
The first step that I do is very important to take care of our hair. It's spray the hair with heat protectant. I'm going to use a straightener, so this step is essential. We apply the product generously all along the hair. Now we can comb the hair. If you prefer, you can wash it first and dry it with a blow dryer. Today we just let it air dry, so we will spend a little more time, but if you can blow dry the hair first, it will be faster. I'm going to start separating a small section of hair from the bottom and hold the rest of the hair with a clip on the top. To start straightening the hair, this will be the key to get it super straight and smooth. I grab a very small piece of hair and slide the straightener really slow. My girl has very thick hair, so for me it's better to pass the straightener slowly. If you wish, you can even grab a smaller section and straighten the hair from the roots to the ends very slowly. Sometimes we are rushing and we want to do this quick, but in my experience I ended up having to pass the straightener several times and I don't get the result that I want. So the key is sliding the straightener slowly, and you just will have to do it once or twice and the hair will be perfect. When we have done each one of the sections, pass the straightener one more time with the whole big section, and that's all, it will be ready. Now we can grab more hair. I'm going to grab the top section and separate, as you can see, a very small piece of hair. In this way, it will be completely straight. Now hold the top section again and straighten the hair in small pieces. As you can see, I pass the straightener really slow from the top to the ends, and it's perfect in the first time. Next, I pass the straightener again along the whole section, and I'm going to keep doing the same thing with the remaining hair. Okay, in here I will stop for a minute to show you if I pass the straightener quick, the hair will not be straight and I will have to pass it more times. That's why if I pass it just one time slowly, the hair will be straight. This is why I prefer to do it in this way. Keep doing the same steps until we finish with the rest of the hair. I spent a little more time because my girl has really thick hair, but in this way it would look completely straight and pretty. Okay, these are the last few sections. I almost finished. And the next step is key for me. I never skip this. Is to apply our golden treatment. So I'm going to pump just one drop. I'm going to rub it into my hands and apply the product all along the hair. In this way, it will look super shiny, just like a mirror. What I love is that our treatment leaves the hair so smooth as well, keeps it healthy, and it keeps it straight even when we have humidity. The hair is perfect for several days. The last step is spray the hair with hairspray. I'm going to comb it and look the result. Glass shining hair, so smooth and straight.
Okay guys, this is all for today. I really hope you like this video. If so, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave me in the comments down below what tricks do you have to get a perfect straight hair. See you on the next video. Bye!
Bye!